G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward and to today's launch of July's masterclass. I'm giving you a peek at a project that you have all asked me for over and over again for many months. In fact, ever since masterclass started. We are finally doing Pirate together. Pirate is a beautiful little English Bull Terrier art doll. Now this month I have pulled it back a little. I feel like I've been loading you all up with very challenging projects. I think Humpty frightened a few people. But we've pulled it back this month, and we've got just basically, it's all about beautiful sewing, beautiful finish, and keeping that gorgeous form of an English Bull Terrier. They have such a fabulous outline. One of my favourite breeds. They don't have a great reputation, which is really sad because they're a beautiful dog. I've kept him in a very childlike form in that he's the medium art doll dressed. He's dressed as if he's playing pirates. It's not overdone. He's not all crazy costumed, and I love it that way. So, of course, you can do whatever you like with him, but I like that real little boy look. So let's have a closer look at my beautiful Pirate. So here we have my much awaited Pirate. Now he has just come up so beautiful in the off-white. So original Pirate, I made him up in just a pure white felt. This little guy I've made up in an off-white, and I much prefer it. It's really softened him off. Now I have gone with a really sweet little boy vibe because this breed tends to cop a lot of criticism for not being very nice, and it's so untrue. They're a beautiful breed, and so I really wanted to keep it super sweet. Mr. T actually walked in yesterday and saw him for the first time, and he said, I just want to hug him. So that's a good result. I think I met the brief on this one then. So what we've got in this masterclass this month, we've pulled it back a little, as I said, and we've got a little overlip here, which is a gorgeous expression. And it's all sewing this month. So I've added a little bit of needle felting around the eyes. I'll give you those eye patches, but it's flat felting. You can add some colour with wool roving if you like, but otherwise this is all airbrushed. This is just about precise sewing and doing it really well and sculpting that beautiful nose. We make a gorgeous little parrot to sit on his shoulder or anywhere else you like. He can tuck in here, he can sit up on his head. It's just a lovely little addition to give it that pirate look without going all out. Also, if you choose your colours well, you can really get that look, as I say, without making swords and, crazy sort of costuming. You still get that gorgeous pirate look, and it keeps him looking like, I like to think he's a little boy dressing up as a pirate. So I absolutely enjoyed making him up again. This is original Pirate. I was going to say old Pirate. It's probably not nice, is it? But this is the original Pirate, and he was made up in white. I do prefer this colour. But of course, if you are going to make him up in white, you can see he comes up beautiful. Just make sure that you colour him up and warm up those white tones. So just beautiful. So let's move ahead now and see who's going to win my beautiful mystery sewing pack this month. Okay, so I hope I've made some of you happy with Pirate. You can leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of him. And in fact, this month's giveaway, I'm giving away a mystery sewing pack, some of my favourite things in there, ready to send out to somebody. I'm just asking you all to just make a comment, drop a comment. I'm going to choose somebody at random. So just say hi, just tell me what you think of Pirate, and I will choose somebody there and send that pack out to you wherever you live in the world. So we are in the middle of changing over from this studio to another one. We actually have a room in our home that we have never used. It's a bar. It was set up as a bar. It's a great big room, but it needs to be fully gutted and redone. So we're in the middle of doing that. It shouldn't take long, but it's going to allow me to give you so much more. I want to be able to give you more variety right here in Pay It Forward. There's some artistic things that I want to teach you that I'm just dying to teach you, and I just haven't had room in this tiny room. I don't think you quite can grasp. I will show you when it's all done just how small this little room is. But it's done me well, it's served me well, but it's time to expand a little, just so that I can offer you more, and also to be able to connect with you all better. We can do some live footage as well. So I'm going to try and keep you all in the loop as we go along this month. Like I said, it shouldn't be too long, and we will be in the new studio with lots more, and I will have lots more to offer you all there. So looking forward to that. Definitely to follow along with all of that, come and join me, follow me on Instagram. It's the best place to catch me, to chat to me. If you want to show me something in particular, show it to me via Instagram. I'm definitely going to see it there. And I will put up my progress reports of our new studio on my stories. So thank you all for sharing your work on our Facebook page. Please keep doing that. I try and select works that just catch my eye, that I love, and share on my Instagram story so another good reason to follow me there. And we have made it to 80k subscribers here on Pay It Forward. I never thought that it would ever get to there. My aim was always just to offer free patterns to like-minded people, and now there are 80k of us here together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Let's take it to 100k. So let's keep on spreading the word. I really want more people to have access to these free patterns. I don't want people to be paying crazy prices just to be creative. It's my mission, my absolute mission is to make that available to you all, to be able to show your creativity. It's very, very important to me, and it's great for mental health. And I know that a lot of you have benefited, and thank you so much for paying it forward. So continue to pay it forward. If you're with other sewing groups, share Pay It Forward with them. Share your beautiful work. That's the best testament of Pay It Forward, to share what you've done and bring them in. So thank you so much for all your support. Looking forward to seeing the gorgeous pirates, boys and girls. I hope to see some little girl bull terriers. That will be very exciting. And I will get busy on next month's masterclass, and also new patterns for you and projects right here on Pay It Forward. So in the meantime, everybody, stay safe, keep on being creative, and pay all those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.